OV, when you caught your 10 weeks old baby and her dad having a deep convo.
ምንድነው የምታወሩት?
እናትሽ ብዙ ሳመችሽ ለዛ ነው የተበሳጨሽው? ኦኬ እሺ ኦኬ ከዛስ what happened? Okay. እሺ
Stop complaining.
She's complaining about you. ምን እያደረጋችሁ ነበር?
She was crying and crying and crying.
She was crying a lot? ለምንድን ነበር ስታለቅሽ ነበር? እስቲ ንገሪኝ።